Okay friends, in this video we are connecting realme t200 lite earbuds on realme phone. Open your settings, go to Bluetooth, then turn off your Bluetooth first if you are turned on. Okay, then you can see here my realme earbuds is here, t200 lite. Okay, and cute design like Apple AirPods. So open it and bring one earpods, then you turn on your Bluetooth, then it will be helps to find the Bluetooth more easily. And you can see here there is blue light is blinking. Whenever blue and red is blinking, that means it is in pair mode or not connected mode, so it will be came here like you can see here available device buds t200 lite. Just tap on it. Now it is asked for pairing request. Just click on pair. That's guys very simple. It is paired, and you can see the battery percentage is showing here 100%. This way you can identify how much battery is left on your realme earbuds. Okay, I don't know, there is very applications installed for this, and if you put back in this airpod box, that will be automatically disconnected. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.